Hello guys, today I'm gonna give you Fictic like Spider-Man edit project file, and I'm also gonna show you how to make the same outro. Here's the preview.
Out of all the Spider-Men, which one do you think is the best?
I would put Garfield as the best Spider-Man in cinema.
Somebody's been a bad lizard.
That's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.